Hi there, it's Puzey from Zenware. We're going to do a demo today on road field service. I'm using about a 1-year-old Motorola device. I'm going to go through and kind of emulate a lot walk. I got 4 cars lined up. 2 of them are in the sun, 2 of them are GM vehicles. We're going to go through the windshield using the latest version of road field service. So let's jump into it. I'm going to select a customer here. Today we're going to be going to Bronco Motors. And I've got a blank work order here. When I hit this green button, we'll start scanning VINs. We're going to start with a Nissan in the sun with a curved VIN. Okay, there it is. 2006 Nissan 350ZX. I'm going to go ahead and add a service here. Go ahead and do this. Okay. As I'm walking over my next vehicle, I'm going to get ready to scan this Chevy pickup in the windshield. '2007 Chevy pickup. If you needed to add a PO number or anything, you could do it right then. We'll go down and add a service to this one. On this one, we're going to go ahead and do a auction detail. I'm going to walk over to the next vehicle. As I'm doing that, I'm going to add the technician. Ben Ellsworth is going to do the work on that truck. Come over here and I'm going to scan this Suburban for the same thing. Okay, we'll save that one. Go down here and add this as a service. Go in here, and on this one we're going to do an auction wash. Again, we're going to add our technician. As I'm walking over to the next thing, Bruce Wayne is going to be the technician on that one. And you can set these up as a single car invoice or a multi-car, depending on how you want to do that. So this one we're going to go with the in the sun. This is a Lexus. We're going to scan this VIN. There it is, 2002 Lexus. So we'll save that one. On this one, we're going to add a service to it. We'll go in here, we'll do a detail exterior. If you want to add a second service to it. And again, this is worst possible scenario. We have all kinds of sunlight and the services aren't organized at all. We'll put Charles on that one. Then once the services are all completed, we'll go ahead and hit the complete button and get a service manager to sign off on it and hit save. There you go. About 2 minutes to do 4 or 5 vehicles.